The best bike locks are more than just accessories. They're your first line of defense against theft and peace of mind when you leave your bike unattended. Investing in the best bike locks means you can confidently park outside your office, gym, or favorite cafe without constantly worrying. They are built with hardened steel, advanced locking mechanisms, and anti-pick technology, making them tough for thieves to crack. For example, imagine you ride to the supermarket for a quick grocery run. Without a solid lock, your bike could be gone before you even check out. Or picture leaving your bike outside a college campus building during a lecture. The best bike locks ensure it's right where you left it. Reliable, durable, and easy to carry, they save you from costly replacements and give you the freedom to ride anywhere stress-free. After hours of research and after taking experts' advice, we have listed the 7 best bike locks to help you choose the one that suits you perfectly. The links for the products mentioned in the video are in the description below. You could also find a more detailed analysis and a comparison tool on our website, pickadvisor.com. Let's get right into our top picks. Number 7. VVA Bike Lock. The VVA Bike Lock stands out as a reliable choice for anyone serious about bicycle security. Built with a 0.86-inch heavy-duty shackle, it offers excellent resistance against heat, hydraulic shears, and brute force attempts. The addition of a 0.10-inch silicone cover shows the brand's attention to detail, ensuring the lock protects the bike without leaving scratches. Its C-grade pure copper lock cylinder provides strong anti-theft performance, resisting leverage attacks that many standard locks can't withstand. The set includes a 4-foot thick steel cable and a high-quality mounting bracket, making installation simple and tool-free. Despite its robust design, the lock remains portable with a practical 11.42 by 6.3-inch size that's easy to carry. Known for combining durability with user-friendly features, VVA proves its value as a brand that prioritizes rider safety and convenience. This lock delivers peace of mind, offering complete all-direction protection for mountain, road, and folding bikes alike. Number 6. Titanker Bike Chain Lock. The Titanker Bike Chain Lock is built for cyclists who want both strength and practicality. Featuring 8mm heavy-duty steel chain links, it delivers impressive cut resistance, making it a reliable deterrent against theft. The brand has also added a protective cloth sleeve, which not only prevents rust, but also guards the bike frame against scratches, a thoughtful touch that enhances long-term use. A dust cover protects the keyhole, helping maintain smooth operation over time. The lock design ensures the key can only be removed once secured, reducing the risk of accidental loss. With 2 keys included, one can be kept at home as backup at 3.3 feet in length and 2.5 pounds in weight. The lock balances portability with heavy-duty protection, making it suitable for daily commuting or short stops. Known for dependable quality, Titanker offers peace of mind with a compact yet tough solution for bike security. Number 5. OnGuard Double Team PITBULL Lock. The OnGuard Double Team PITBULL Lock is designed for cyclists who demand maximum protection in high-risk areas. Built with a 14mm hardened steel shackle, it resists cutting, prying, and brute force attacks, making it a powerhouse of bike security. The brand's X4P Quattro locking mechanism adds another layer of reliability, delivering superior resistance against theft techniques. What sets this model apart is its tri-radius shackle design, providing more internal space and flexibility when securing bikes or power sport vehicles. The included 4-foot fully coated braided steel cable expands its use, allowing both frame and wheels to be locked together for all-around safety. With 5 laser-cut keys, including one with a convenient micro LED and an all-tube mounting bracket, the kit offers both practicality and security. Weighing 4.3 pounds, the lock is solid yet manageable. Known for durability and innovation, OnGuard delivers trusted security where it matters most. Number 4. Master Lock Cable Lock. The Master Lock Cable Lock offers dependable everyday security with the convenience of a set-your-own 4-digit combination. Built with braided steel, it provides strength with flexibility, making it an effective theft deterrent for bikes and outdoor equipment. The protective vinyl coating prevents scratches on frames and gear, showing the brand's attention to detail in balancing toughness with care. At 6 feet long and a half-inch thick, the cable is versatile enough to secure frames, wheels, or multiple items together, while remaining lightweight and easy to carry. carry. Known worldwide for quality, Master Lock has earned a reputation for reliability and trust, and this lock reflects that heritage. While it delivers basic security, it serves as a strong deterrent for opportunistic theft and works well as a complement to U-locks or other heavy-duty options. Perfect for daily use, it blends practicality, brand value, and peace of mind in one package. Number 3. Sportneer Bike Lock. The Sportneer Bike Lock combines strength, portability, and innovation in one compact design. Crafted from chrome manganese titanium alloy, it achieves ART 2-star certification, proving its ability to withstand cutting, drilling, and levering attempts. The folding mechanism extends up to 95 centimeters, offering flexibility to secure multiple bikes or attach to poles with ease, while still folding down for easy carrying. A versatile mounting bracket fits most bike posts, making installation and transport simple for daily commutes or long rides. Sportneer enhances usability with an anti-drill lock bolt, anti-sewing baffle, and dust cover, ensuring smooth operation and long-lasting durability. Supplied with 3 keys and backed by a global key replacement service, the lock eliminates worries about misplacement. Renowned for practical, rider-focused solutions, Sportneer delivers a lock that blends compact design with exceptional security, perfect for urban cyclists, mountain bikers, and e-bike riders who demand trusted protection without sacrificing convenience. Number 2. Kryptonite KryptoLok. The Kryptonite KryptoLok Combo U-Lock is a trusted name in bike security, delivering strength, versatility, and convenience. Built with a 12.7mm hardened steel shackle, it resists cutting, drilling, and leverage attacks, while the double deadbolt locking mechanism adds extra protection by securing both sides independently. Its 4-digit customizable combination eliminates the need for keys, offering a simple yet secure way to lock up. Compact in size with 4-inch by 9-inch interior dimensions, it includes a flex frame mounting bracket for effortless transport, ensuring the lock is always within reach. The protective vinyl coating guards against scratches, while a rotating dust cover keeps the mechanism clean and functional. Rated 6 out of 10 on Kryptonite's security scale, it's ideal for quick stops in cities, several hours in suburbs, or extended use in rural areas. Backed by anti-theft protection, combo safe registration, and a lifetime warranty, Kryptonite proves its long-standing value in reliable bike security. Number 1. Seatylock FoldyLock Forever. The Seatylock FoldyLock Forever is built for riders who demand maximum security and long-lasting reliability. Rated Sold Secure Gold, 18 out of 18 security level, it features 0.25-inch hardened steel plates designed to resist bolt cutters, saws, and side attacks. Its patented anti-tamper rivets and robust guard system ensure unbeatable protection, even in high-crime urban environments. Unlike many heavy-duty locks, this model offers a silent, rattle-free ride thanks to its secure frame-mounted bracket, keeping it steady during transport. With a 35.4-inch circumference, the lock unfolds easily to secure bikes, e-bikes, scooters, or motorcycles, yet folds compactly into a portable design. Fully waterproof and weatherproof, it guarantees dependable use in all conditions. Seatylock's reputation for innovation shines through with a design that balances strength, practicality, and ease of use. Supplied with master keys and a case holder, this lock provides peace of mind and premium protection for serious cyclists. And that's our roundup of the best bike locks you can trust today. These locks aren't just accessories, they're peace of mind. Imagine running into a coffee shop for a quick latte and coming back to find your bike exactly where you left it, or leaving it outside your office all day without worrying. The best bike locks protect your investment, save you from costly losses, and give you the confidence to ride anywhere without stress. However, getting the best bike locks is quite challenging when you have plenty of models available on the market with a decent design and innovative features. All the products mentioned above are a perfect blend of versatility and innovation, providing the users the best in-class experience. Choose wisely which product suits you the best and will fulfill all your requirements. Let us know in the comments which model works for you the best and why. Thank you for watching the video. And that is all for this one. If you find this video helpful in any way, give a huge thumbs up. Stay tuned for the upcoming videos by subscribing to our channel. See you guys in the next one.